How to pronounce Luan. Luan can be split into two parts, Loo-ahn. Now, depending on the language or region, the pronunciation might vary a little, but today, I'm going to show you one of the most common ways to say it. Alright, here's how we're going to do it. Listen carefully. Lu, this part is pronounced like Lu, as in the word loop without the P, and this part is pronounced like N. Put it together, and you get Luan. Let's try it a couple more times. Luan, 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 Luan. Luan, 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 Luan. Luan, 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 Luan. Here are some extra tips to nail the pronunciation. Emphasize the first syllable. Start strong with Lu and then gently slide into N. Smooth transition. Keep your flow natural by not pausing between the syllables. Practice with a mirror. Sometimes watching your mouth shape can really help. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more pronunciation tips.